Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Sorkar Jilla uba Sanbor Shulai minta kesengi ula penlong ya ka Jingkitkhlieh Advance Christmas na kebentagi padba nong Shnong Jong ka South Shillong Konstitwensy. Hakane ka Jingkitkhlieh Advance Christmas lawan banishim benta de ki Kynhun Balang baper ki dor bar Shnong bat ki nong Shnong Jong ka South Shillong Konstitwensy kinthop ya ki kanarit. Hakane ka Jingkitkhlieh Advance Christmas nagalyang uba Sanbor Shulai ubaderu UMLA ka South Shillong Konstitwensy ula ay ka Jingkitkhlieh pisa siya Kynhun Balang bat siya ki dorbar Shnong bat ula samru ya ki jing ay ngobha Christmas siya ki kanarit. Habakran hakane ka Jingkitkhlieh Advance Christmas uba Sanbor uloong baka Jingkitkhlieh Advance Christmas kamde ka badang thamai ha ka constituency namarkum UMLA Shim ya ka Jingkitkhlieh ban ai Ïarap pisa shaman ki Kynhun Balang bat ki dor bar Shnong Jong ka constituency na ka benta ka Jingkitkhlieh ka bapahu pahay. Uba Sanbor uloong ba kumbalong hagapor puja manla usnem kum UMLA kadai ka kamram jonga ban ai pisa sya baro ki puja committee bat minta usnem ru ngan ai Jingkitkhlieh ya baro ki Kynhun Balang khnang bakin yo ka Jingkitkhlieh Christmas bat usnem thamai. Uba Sanbor ulakin tu ikipat ba ka South Shillong Constituency bakin ya chekmat ya ka Jingim Jongki da ka Jingit bat sumar iway pat khamtam hakane ka ayom lekmen. Ula ben rapru bakum UMLA udap da ka Jingkemen ka bakraw banyo I baki brio na baro ki jat jinget kiyawan lang bani Shim bentalang ha ka Jingkitkhlieh Advance Christmas kumbajulong man kapor.
And also our sincere thanks to the leaders and members of all the women welfare organization, the Mahila Committee, Jingkitkhlieh, the President, Secretary, and the leaders of the Samla, various sports club, various social organizations, societies, and all invitees who have assembled here today. And this is not a new thing. For the last many years, we as a committee, as a chairman and all the members of the MCIC 19 South Shillong Constituency, we used to organize this kind of Christmas and New Year celebration, and during Puja festival, we used to also organize the pre-Durga Puja and various Puja get together of harmony. And today we are very happy that we are assembled here today and to celebrate the pre-Christmas and New Year. And I would like also to express my sincere thanks to all our friends, our brother and sister from the electronic media and the printing press who have attended this program. And there will be as per the programs, as per the invitation that we have sent to you. So the host of this program, along with the secretary of the MCIC, Anthony Marwin, they'll carry on. They'll carry forward with the remaining part of this program. Senior citizen and the leaders of various church committee, that this is my life experience, my social and political experience, that I used to have ample time when I travel outside my state. And I'm having small holy books in my briefcase. So that is the beauty of my life. Then you don't have anything to do inside the flight when it is flying. So I enjoy myself reading the holy books, be it the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Gita, Guru Granth Sahib, the Tripartite, or the Khatkan Tangabakhoy. It teaches the same thing. It teaches that all living thing in this earth, be it human being, be it animals, be it birds, fish, or insect, all living things in this earth are being created by only one soul of God. So we are here today. We may belongs to various faith and religion. We may belongs to various different communities. But remember, all my brothers and sisters and senior citizens and church leaders, we are all created by only one soul of God. So thank you so much. God bless.